How do I swap SIM cards between phones?
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll learn how to safely swap SIM cards between phones. Whether you've got a new phone or you're lending your old one to a friend, swapping SIM cards is a simple and useful skill.
Why would you want to swap SIM cards?
Swapping SIM cards can be helpful in various situations. Your SIM card stores your subscriber information, including your personal phone number and data plan, so if you're switching phones, you'd want to move your SIM card to the new phone. You might also want to swap SIM cards if you're traveling and you've purchased a local SIM card to avoid roaming fees.
What do you need to swap SIM cards?
You'll need a few things to swap SIM cards. 1. The phones. Ensure both are unlocked or that they both use the same carrier. Some phones are locked to a specific carrier, so a SIM card from another carrier won't work in them. 2. The SIM cards. They come in 3 sizes: standard, micro, and nano. Make sure your SIM card fits into the other phone. 3. SIM card ejector tool or a paperclip. The SIM card tray is usually found on the side of the phone. If you don't have a SIM ejector tool, a paperclip can do the job too.
How do you swap SIM cards?
Here are the steps to swap SIM cards. 1. Turn off both phones. This is to protect your phone and SIM card from potential damage. 2. Eject the SIM card trays. Use the ejector tool or a paperclip to open the SIM card tray. Press it into the small hole and the tray should pop out. 3. Swap the SIM cards. Take the SIM card out from one phone and place it in the other phone's tray. Do the same for the other SIM card. 4. Reinsert the trays. Once the SIM cards have been swapped, put the trays back into their respective phones. 5. Turn on the phones. Power up your phones and wait a moment. You should see your carrier's logo, and you should be able to make calls, send texts, and use data using your usual phone number and plan. And that's how easy it is to swap SIM cards between phones. Remember, always handle your SIM card with care and make sure your phones are powered off when doing the swap. We hope this video has been helpful, and thanks for watching.